We're focused on three core pillars. First, privacy. Privacy is a human right. Cybersecurity. We need to act with collective responsibility across the tech sector to help keep the world safe. Ethical AI. We need to ask ourselves not only what computers can do, but what computers should do. We're focused on two massive platform opportunities. One, Microsoft Azure, the other, Microsoft 365. The world's applications going forward need a ubiquitous computing fabric from the cloud to the edge. They need a new app model that is distributed, event-driven, and serverless. In fact, as computing spreads, as there is need for computing at the edge, we are building out Azure, Azure Stack, Azure IoT Edge, and Azure Sphere as this one computing fabric that supports this new application model.
Azure IoT Edge enables Azure services as well as your own code to escape the cloud and be deployed directly down onto devices and managed remotely, produced by Qualcomm in partnership with Microsoft. It has rich compute and AI capabilities, and it runs Azure IoT Edge. Microsoft is partnering with DJI to bring Azure IoT Edge right to their drones. And this is significant because it means any Azure developer using Azure Machine Learning can develop AI models and deploy them to their drones.
Xiaomi worked with another travel company, Samjoy, and brought a new device, which is so phenomenal because what it does is it uses speech recognition and machine translation to give every Chinese traveler a far-field device to be able to communicate with anyone else without the language barrier in HoloLens. And so we're taking those advances and packaging them up as Project Connect for Azure. And this Project Connect for Azure is going to have some of the best spatial understanding, skeletal tracking, object recognition, and package some of the most powerful sensors together. And at this conference, we're launching 100+ new features for the bot framework so that you can continue to build these conversational interfaces. And talking about AI infrastructure, I'm really thrilled to announce the preview of Project Brainwave. Project Brainwave is a distributed real-time AI fabric that today is working with FPGAs from Intel to bring the best-in-class real-time AI, low-latency AI capabilities and inferencing capabilities. And so that brings me to the final major technology that's shaping this shift, which is multi-sense, multi-device experiences.
Alexa, add milk to my shopping list.
I've added milk to your shopping list.
Alexa, open Cortana.
Cortana here. How can I help?
How's my day?
I'll take a look. I see 2 events for today. First up, at 5:30 p.m., celebration with Tom at Harvest Vine. And then, at 8 p.m., pick up Maddie from soccer. What can I do for you?
Send an email to Tom Taylor saying, I'll see you tonight.
Sure. I'll email Tom Taylor. I'll see you tonight. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Great. I've sent it. How can I help?
I'm done.
Very cool.
Later.
I love being able to talk to both Cortana and Alexa on my PC. Let me show you how they help me through my day. Oh, I see I have an email from Megan about dinner tonight at Harvest Vine. Hey, Cortana, where is Harvest Vine?
Harvest Vine is about 2 miles away at 2701 East Madison in Seattle.
Better get going. Hey, Cortana, open Alexa.
Hi there, this is Alexa. How can I help?
Get me a ride to Harvest Vine.
There is an Uber X 2 minutes away from your Alexa address. Should I order it?
Yes, please.
Okay, requesting your ride. This may take a few moments. Would you like to continue?
Yes.
Okay, your Uber driver, Sarah, is arriving. Look for a Toyota Camry. What's next?
Turn off the lights, please.
What else can I help you with?
What do you think about Cortana?
I like Cortana. We both have experience with light rings, although hers is more of a halo. Is there anything else?
Thanks, that's it. Just a few of the things that Alexa and Cortana help me do throughout my day.
Today, we are incredibly excited to announce 2 new mixed reality business applications, Microsoft Remote Assist and Microsoft Layout. And these are joining the Microsoft 365 family and available for public preview starting May 22nd.
So today we're going to show you some conceptual scenarios for how you can create those connections with intelligent devices and services that understand both our physical world and our digital world. Hey, Cortana, set up a meeting right now with the Smart Building team to discuss the new project proposal we're creating.
Sure thing. You are all free now. Where do you want to meet?
Find me a conference room with a Surface Hub.
Okay, Teams Scrum Room is available now too. Want me to book it?
Yes, please.
Great, you are all set. Would you like to start the meeting?
Yes, please. I know Katie and Julia are coming from another meeting, so let's go ahead and get started. Dave, what's the latest with the Smart Building pilot?
I've already done some preliminary analysis on the data, and I'm finding some high-temperature outliers. We should discuss it later in the meeting.
Okay, sounds great.
Now I'm going to connect my device to the screen and share my view. Now let's take the hologram that I'm looking at and place it directly onto the meeting room table. In this way, everyone can get a sense of what I am seeing without having us all to wear HoloLenses.
And I'm really pleased to close this keynote by announcing AI for accessibility. This is a grant program that we are creating so that we can give grants to researchers, NGOs, developers, give them support, platform technologies, so that you can bring your ingenuity and passion to help the 1+ billion people in this world who have disabilities.